हेलो गाइस, आई एम पलक शाह फ्रॉम बाइट्स। टुडे आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं मिस्टेक्स जो हम सब करते हैं हम लोग के प्रिपरेशन के टाइम के ड्यूरिंग। मैंने भी किया है बहुत सारा मिस्टेक्स एंड आई हैव सीन पीपल डूइंग सम मिस्टेक्स, सो आई वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट डू दैट मिस्टेक्स. So let's start. Reading unnecessary books. I have seen people reading unnecessary books like packages, modules, mainly 11th standard students. So I warn you, don't do that thing. Solve questions from it. It is good, but don't waste your time reading that books. Read NCERT only. NCERT is like, it is a Bible. Everyone says that it is. Second, being unaware of competition. आई नो क्लास में आप फर्स्ट आते हो, सेकेंड आते हो बैचेस में, इंस्टीट्यूशंस में, बट इट इज़ नॉट इनफ. You need to know that there are many students, 25-24 lakhs giving this exam, so you should be prepared that they are doing much than you waste 1 minute, they are doing one sum that time, so you need to think of that. Third, ignoring chemistry NCERT. You ignoring physical, organic, inorganic chemistry is not acceptable in this time of competition, because once if you are ignoring physical it is okay, but organic and inorganic it is must, you should read that books. Fourth, procrastinating and stressing more than studying. Many students आज के टाइम पे दे प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट, आज करेंगे, कल करेंगे, परसों करेंगे, एंड देन द टेस्ट कम्स एंड यू से नाउ नेक्स्ट टेस्ट वी विल डू आर बेटर, बट दिस इज नेवर एंडिंग स्टोरी. You should have control over it. So yes, don't procrastinate lot. It will damage your time, it will damage your mental health and everything. Fifth, thinking theory is enough or video lecture will make you smarter. No, it will not. It will help you to know the theory, you will help to know the concepts, but it will not help you solve question until you solve the question on your own. You have to practice minimum 100 questions for one chapter, then you are like, okay, I know this chapter, but till then you are not a smart in that chapter. Only by seeing a video on YouTube and reading theory, it will not help you. In physics, chemistry, it will not, definitely. Having a timetable. People just do random studies. They take biology and sit because biology is easy to take one book and sit. No, it is not good. This is a sign that you are not going to get a seat. So timetable is really important. You need to plan your day. Don't give 3 subjects at time in your day. Give 2 subjects according to you, what is preferable. Don't do everything at one time. Just make a proper plan. Like, now I will do this at this time, I feel like doing this every day, I am comfortable doing this subject at this time, do that subject, but don't randomly take one book and sit for a day. It will waste your time, definitely. 7th, revision. हम लोग को रिविजन करना पसंद नहीं है. दिस इज़ ट्रू. एवरी स्टूडेंट डजेंट लाइक डूइंग रिवाइजिंग और डूइंग रिविजन of any chapter they have done properly before, but you have done properly that time. How much you are remembering now is a complete different question. So revise every now and then. If you get time, just go through their short notes or formula or some theory or questions that you have not solved properly. So it will help to keep that thing in your mind, and at the end you will know that that time I have revised, so I will be able to solve any question. But at the end you take for revising, you will feel that no, I don't remember anything, and that will be a very waste of time doing that things again. So please keep revising. 8, no attraction, no distraction. This is a true. In this standard everyone falls for it, so please you don't. And 9th, believe in yourself. In one test you will score less, in other you will go high, but this is not the end. NEET exam is the end, so till then believe in yourself, keep faith that you are going to crack it, and just do a little work every day so that one day is yours. 10th, giving excuses. This is the problem every student have. This is the thing every student have done. सब लोग करते हैं ये एक्सक्यूज देना, like it's easy escape, but no, डोंट, एक टेस्ट में कम मार्क्स आए, डोंट गिव एक्सक्यूज दैट मेरे घर पे ये हुआ, मेरे घर पे वो हुआ, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. नो, you get less marks, accept it that you got less marks and do hard work for the next time so that it won't happen again. So thank you for all, thank you for this. And our batch is going to start from 8th of July, and orientation lecture is on 8th of July, 1st of July. So please attend that, and thank you.